guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can whiten your teeth in any videos or in any photos on CapCut PC. But first you'll need to be able to see like your whole face, or else it won't detect like the teeth. So you are going to go to the enhance like tab here. Enable the face here, I think, not the facial beauty one. Enable face is going to detect the person's face, and here you can whiten their teeth. She doesn't really have like yellow teeth, so like it's not very like different, but if I slide it to the right, as you can see, there is a difference between the first one and the second one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!